MP3 Player with Bluetooth, 16 gigabytes, is a versatile and affordable choice for music lovers, especially kids or those on the go. Here's what it offers. Price, 4,496. Link description. Storage and expandability. With 16 gigabytes internal storage, this player can hold thousands of songs, and it supports a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes for expanded storage, giving you ample space for music, audiobooks, and more. Bluetooth connectivity. This feature allows you to easily pair the MP3 player with Bluetooth headphones or speakers, providing a wireless experience that's perfect for running, workouts, or travel. Built-in speaker. You can enjoy music without headphones thanks to the integrated speaker, which is a handy feature for casual listening. FM radio and voice recording. Besides being a music player, it comes with FM radio and a voice recording function, adding extra value for users who want these additional features. Compact and portable. Lightweight and designed for easy portability, it's a great option for kids or those looking for a small, durable player for jogging or outdoor activities. Extras. The package includes earphones, making it ready to use out of the box, and it's an ideal gift option. Price. Priced at 4,496 rupees, it's a budget-friendly player packed with features, making it a great gift or personal music solution. You can purchase it here. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more reviews.